Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create your own RPG using the RPGGO AI. Whether you want to craft an immersive story or design interactive characters, the RPGGO AI makes it easy. So let's get started. First open your web browser and go and search the RPG AI. Then click on the official website and sign in or create an account. Once inside, go to the RPG creation section. Here you can define your game settings, characters, and story. Use the AI-powered tools to create a unique characters, NPCs, and companions. Customize their appearance, personality, and dialogue to bring your world to life. Design quest, mission, and branching dialogue path. The RPG Go AI allows you to create a dynamic storyline where player choices impact the outcome. Then adjust the in game mechanics like the battle system, inventory management, and skill progression to match your preferred RPG style. Before publishing, playtest your RPG to check for errors and improve the overall experience. Adjust the dialogue, quests, and mechanics as needed. And that's how you create your own RPG using the RPG Go AI. With its advanced AI tools, you can bring your dream RPG to life without coding. If you upgrade the Pro version, you can access even more customization options and templates. Try it out to start building your RPG adventure today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Thanks for watching.